This entire bowl of homemade ice cream contains just 200 calories and is packed with over 40 grams of protein. Perfect for staying in a calorie deficit and ensuring you hit your daily protein goals. Here's how you make it. 400 milliliters skim milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 10 grams monk fruit sweetener, 1 gram xanthan gum, a pinch of salt, mix. Add 0-calorie sweetener. Yuck! Add sugar. Add more sugar. Add more sugar. Add more sugar. That's too much sugar. Remove some with a Dyson. You removed too much. Add some back from the Dyson. That's perfect. Add Oreo. Crush the Oreo. Place in a container. Add a scoop of protein. Place in freezer overnight. Serve in a bowl. Top with crushed Oreo. And enjoy!